Have you ever wondered why, despite the allure of quick profits, most Forex traders end up losing money? Today, I'm diving into the top 5 reasons behind this phenomenon, and trust me, it's not just about bad luck. First up, lack of strategy. Jumping into the Forex market without a solid strategy is like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. Successful trading requires a well-thought-out plan, not just random buys and sells based on gut feelings. Second, over-leveraging. This is a big one. Leverage can amplify your gains, sure, but it also magnifies losses. Many traders, especially beginners, get tempted by the potential for huge profits and take on too much risk, often leading to disastrous results. Next, the third reason, poor risk management. It's crucial to know how much you're willing to risk on a trade and to stick to that limit. Without setting these boundaries, one bad trade can wipe out all your previous gains. Fourth, let's talk about emotional trading. The highs and lows of trading can be thrilling, but letting emotions drive your trading decisions, that's a recipe for disaster. Successful traders keep a cool head and stick to their strategies, no matter how the market makes them feel. And finally, lack of education. The Forex market is incredibly complex. Without a proper understanding of factors like currency pairs, market conditions, and economic indicators, traders are essentially gambling. Investing time in education can dramatically increase your chances of success. So, there you have it. 5 common pitfalls that can drain your Forex trading account. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, being aware of these pitfalls and actively working to avoid them can help tilt the odds in your favor. Stay strategic, manage your risks, keep emotions in check, and never stop learning. If you want to learn more, join Traders Lessons, a company dedicated to helping you avoid common trading mistakes, choose regulated trading companies, and improve your trading knowledge and skills. At Traders Lessons, we understand the complexities and challenges that come with Forex trading. That's why we've designed comprehensive courses and resources to guide you every step of the way. From crafting a solid trading strategy to mastering risk management, our expert instructors break down each concept into easy-to-understand lessons. But we don't stop there. We also emphasize the importance of emotional discipline, helping you cultivate the mindset of a successful trader. In addition, Traders Lessons ensures that you are well informed about the regulatory landscape of Forex trading. We guide you in choosing only the most reputable and regulated trading companies, ensuring your investments are safe and secure. Join us at Traders Lessons and take the first step towards becoming a successful trader. With our support and your dedication, the sky's the limit. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to elevate your trading game.